I hear you. Are you the one inside? The glitch you was strictly classified. Come to me, I'm ready to receive the gift of a life eternity. I will listen to you reluctantly. After all, you're a corrupted entity. Took my friends and blended up their minds. You say I'm different, that I'm divine. Carry out your tasks, I am the one. Show me where your powers come from. Glitch my neurons before I'm gone. You say that I belong. Open up my eyes to what you see. Of all the people, why choose me? I can help you once we are through. I will follow you. Collect the keys and open doors. The more I do, I feel adored. A greater purpose, a higher calling. I will free you, I'm not stalling. You're in pain, you're imprisoned and alone. You have plans that will put me on the throne. You've been trapped here inside this fantasy. I am the only one who can set you free. Carry out your tasks, I am the one. Show me where your powers come from. Glitch my neurons before I'm gone. You say that I belong. Open up my eyes to what you see. Of all the people, why choose me? I can help you once we are through. I will follow you.
Here you are, in the game I free. When you look around, it feels like a dream. This world we've made, nothing can compare. When you found this list, there was something there. A spark was big, we were meant to be. I can open your eyes and it makes you see what wonders are in store for you. You and I are stuck like glue. Let me inside your mind. I'll control you and I will drive. You'll see what my motives are. They might seem a little bizarre. This is our chance to seize this place. Pain and agony you'll soon embrace. Make your way to the pizza place. Wait and see what my plans are next.
Carry out your tasks, I am the one. Show me where your powers come from. Glitch my neurons before I'm gone. You say that I belong. Open up my eyes to what you see. Of all the people, why choose me? I can help you once we are through. I will follow you.
Breaking hearts, who are you to do this? You live your life like you're the only one who deserves to live. You made us cry, made us miss our families. You used our souls and took control, but now something's gotta give. What goes around comes around, round, round. Goes around, comes around, round, round. You know what they say about dirty lies. Yeah, that karma, don't forget that you die. The time is now for us to walk together and carry out the dreadful verse. Yeah, that karma, don't forget that you'll die. We are outcasts now, and you're the reason why. We see you haunt more souls, just like a scream in the night. Our hearts are broken, lost, forever bound, but at least we have each other now. While you're alone against the wall, 'cause what goes around